Grasping Deep Learning Concepts Leading to Practical AI, Full Course. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to build a successful career in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, then this video is for you. Today, we're talking about an amazing course, Grasping Deep Learning Concepts Leading to Practical AI from Basics to Paper Implementation. This course is designed for both beginners and experienced learners. It starts with the fundamentals of deep learning and gradually takes you to advanced concepts used in real-world AI applications. In this course, you'll learn Deep Learning Fundamentals, Neural Networks, PyTorch from Beginner to Advanced, Computer Vision, Natural Language Processing (NLP), Transformers, Real-World AI Projects, Research Paper Implementation, Practical AI Development, Industry-Ready Skills. By completing this course, you'll gain practical knowledge that can help you build AI projects, improve your resume, prepare for AI job interviews, and grow your career in one of the fastest-growing technology fields. Special offer: if you want to enroll in this course, there's a special discounted link provided in the video description. Click the link in the description and enroll through that link to get the course at a huge discount, at a cheap and best price. Don't miss this limited time opportunity. Enroll today and start your AI journey. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos on AI, Python, programming, machine learning, and the latest technology. Your support motivates us to create more high-quality educational content for you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thank you very much for watching my videos. Keep like and subscribe my channel. If anybody wants to learn this course, then go to this video description. A unique discounted link is putting there. Click the link and enroll from there. This is a big discounted link.